now I'm going to talk about the content drawer. So what the content drawer is, it is basically a way to find and access all the different assets and different items that you have in your levels or your project. And so you access it by clicking on the bottom left hand corner. There should be a bar that says content drawer. So let's go back into Unreal. So we'll make the outliner a little bit smaller again. And down here on the bottom left hand corner we have the content drawer. And so you can see it has all of the content that is currently in my window. So, you know, it has my first person, it has blueprints for them, it has maps, which maps are also what's called the level. So they call them a scene and a level and a map. Gotta love that there's multiple names for everything. And so everything in here is stuff that is available for your current level and program. Not everything that's over here is actually in here. So if we come down here to the starter content, you can see that we're going to click on, we'll click on shapes, or actually we'll do props. And just because I find it fun, yeah, this drawer doesn't stay popped up. If you click outside of it, it goes away. So if you want to stop that, you could dock it in the station. So interesting. But I thought you were supposed to dock it, but for some reason it's not docking, it's having it here. So there we go. And now I can click and drag it so that you can have it closed or open. And we're going to go to the starter content again. We're going to go to props, and I'm just going to pull out a chair and put a chair out. So you can see you could add stuff to your frame or to your level just by clicking and dragging it out of your content drawers. So anything that you want, and you could also just hit delete if there's something in there that you don't actually want. You can click on it and delete. And if I wanted to, I could come look at this chair a little bit better and see what it is and everything by just maneuvering around with the screen. Now with this content drawer, and we're going to have this go up a little bit just because what I want you guys to do with this is when you're going to be making your own content, I want you to come up here to this content drawer, like the folder, and we're going to right click in here and create new folder. And so we're going to call this, you know, JG assets. So that way I have like anything I create, if I put it in here, that I'm easily going to be able to find anything that I need to for your project, as opposed to trying to go through each folder or whatever to see where this stuff is located. So try to create a folder here with your initials or your name or something so that it's easily relatable that it's your content that's going to be having stuff in it. And so then if I wanted to, I can create different things in here easily. So that's the content drawer. You could also do some fun things with the content drawer if you want to, if you like having different color things, so it's easy to find and you don't have to necessarily read it. You could change the color. So all I did was right click it, say set color. You could clear color, or I could set the color. You could also set add to favorites, so then it's up here under favorites, so it's easy to access and you don't have to go searching for it every time. And again, you just hover your mouse to get the line to go up and down. So that is the content drawer.